In this video, I'm going to show you how I paint another mushroom in this spread. So for this, I am using my Stillman and Birn Beta Series Sketchbook, and then I will be using Turner Design Gouache. Right now I'm just laying down my first color, which is the stem. So I mixed white with burnt sienna to get this really light, creamy beige color. The brush I'm using is the Princeton Velvetouch series. I believe it's a size 2 or 4. And now I've added more of the burnt sienna mixed in with the white to make it a little bit darker, and I'm adding those shadows to give the mushroom stem a little bit more dimension. Now I'm creating those steps between the shadow and the main color I used, so that's by adding more white to kind of create a gradient in between the really dark shadow and the really light color of the stem. And now I'm going in with permanent red. And this is pretty much straight out of the tube. And I'm just going to be painting the entire top the permanent red color while going around all of the little white spots on top of the mushroom. Now I'm going in with a darker red, so I've mixed black with the permanent red to create a really dark red, and this is where I'm adding a shadow behind for the second mushroom to make it so that the mushroom on the left appears closer and stands out more. So by doing that, I just create a shadow on the mushroom to the right. And then I'm slowly adding more and more red as I continue to paint the mushroom on the right. And now I'm adding a darker red to the left edge to add in a little bit more dimension to make it seem like it's cylindric and set that part further back. So then the center of the mushroom is brighter and is coming more towards you, while the edges are going away from you to make it look three-dimensional. And now I'm adding some white to the permanent red so that I can get a little bit of a highlight added in to even add a little bit more dimension. And now I'm just adding a little bit of shadow underneath those little dots on top of the mushroom to make them stand out more. So I mixed a little bit of black with the permanent red, and that's how I'm getting those to look like they're coming towards you. And then again, like the other mushrooms I've done, I'm adding in that outline that I typically do just to make them stand out more against the white paper. And then creating even a deeper shadow. And then this time, to blend in the shadow, I'm doing the stepping stone again, but I'm adding a lot less white. And you can see how that is creating more of a gradient. And then I'm just using water to kind of blend these colors together as sort of a quick, easy trick. So you can see me doing that now. That is about it for this video. Let me know if you have any questions or what should I paint next. And thanks for watching. Bye.